Alright, so what's good, YouTube? It's your man, the son of some man.
My son. Who's my son? Who's my son? Who's my son?
And we are back with another video. What's up, guys? What's going on? How is everyone doing? I hope everyone's having a beautiful beginning of your week. But if you are brand new to the channel, please do me a favor, hit that subscribe button down below. Also, hit that little notification bell while you're at it, because you're going to want to get notified every time we drop a brand new video over here, and we usually do it every single day. If you love sneakers, this is the channel for you. You obviously click the video, you do like sneakers. So like I said before, if you're brand new, please do me a favor, hit that subscribe button down below. Now, like we always do, we're going to give a huge shout out to J&M Sneakers. Today we got two early dope pairs of shoes that I'm so excited to get into. I can't wait to review them. I can't wait to get them on feet. Oh, I'm excited. So please, if you're brand new and you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, because you're not going to want to miss this content coming at you guys like no other. Your man, the son of some man, he's on his game. But anyway, guys, like I said, huge shout out to J&M Sneakers. Their links are in the description down below. Please do me a favor. If you're not going to buy anything off of them, at least give them a follow on IG. If you do buy something from them, let them know that your man, the son of some man, has sent you. And I promise they'll take extra good care of you. They're family. They're my family. We take care of family around here. But all right, guys, enough this, enough that. Let's get into today's video. All right, guys, starting off with the first shoe I picked up today. Now, we might be, I might have gave it away a little bit with the baby blue Jumpman, but if you guys have been around here, you know I love Air Jordan 5s, and yep, this is an Air Jordan 5. Make sure you guys stay tuned for the review. If you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe. Woo! These are so fire. I don't think these are coming out for another 4 to 6 weeks. But here's a small detailed look, the Air Jordan 5 UNC. Now, like I mentioned before, if you guys have been around here, you know the Air Jordan 5 is my favorite, absolute favorite silhouette. And I think we'll be reviewing this one first because I absolutely love this shoe. So clean, so clean. Ooh, we got a lot of details to go over. This is a banger, guys. All right, guys, now that we got the first one out the way, let's see what the second one is. We all know it, got the elephant print. If you haven't seen the vlog that I did to pick these shoes up, all you gotta do is click the link at the top of the screen, check it out. Make sure you come back here, finish this video. And also, make sure you subscribe, because the reviews are coming, baby. But yeah, these are super fire. These shoes actually really hit home for me because Jordan retired in 2003. Yeah, he retired in 2003. I believe that was his last game with the Wizards. And my son was born in 2003, Edwin III. But here you have it, guys, the Air Jordan 3 Wizards. Now, I know you guys are probably looking like, yo, that looks like a True Blue 3. Guess what? It basically is. The only difference is you'll have to stay tuned for the detailed review to see the differences between the True Blue 3 and these Air Jordan 3 Wizards. But overall, guys, super fire. Super excited. Can't wait to get these things on feet. Remember, guys, huge shout out to J&M Sneakers. We appreciate you so much, man. You know, we really couldn't be doing this without you guys. So thank you guys so much. But anyway, guys, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you stay tuned. Reviews are coming soon. Anyway, guys, until next time, it is your man, the son of some man, and we're out, guys. Peace.